Hey guys, welcome back to Clever Kids.
Before we start this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and give me a big thumbs up. So today we are going to do origami on paper. We are going to make stuff with paper, like hearts, like this.
And I made a ninja star, so I'm going to teach you how to make a ninja star too.
Isn't that so cool?
And these you can actually throw these. Look, hey everybody, I'm back. So now I'm gonna make a ninja star that looks exactly like this. So you're gonna need 2 pieces of square paper. If you don't have square paper, you can make it out of regular paper like this. So I'm going to get you need scissors to make the square. You're gonna take the tip here, and you're gonna fold it down like this, and then kind of crease. Don't crease yet, just crease a little bit like this. Make sure that it's like matching up here, and it's like pointy and everything. Like right here, really pointy. It's gotta be very pointy, because if it's not pointy, then you crease wrong. So I'm just gonna crease and check if it's pointy. Yep, it's pointy enough. So if it's pointy, I can just cut the excess paper off. And we have square. So I already cut out another square. So with the first square, what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it in half, first of all. Make sure it's perfect. All right, you fold it in half, now open it up. Now take one side and fold it to the middle of the crease you just made, and then take the other side and fold it to the middle crease. All right. Now you'll have a shape that looks something like this. Now what you're gonna do is take one side and put it on top of each other. Now you'll have a long line like this. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna face it like this, and then fold it in half. You might wanna put your finger and then just pull back a bit, because it's gonna be kind of hard to press down on there, and then open it up. Now what you want to do is take this corner and pull it down. Make sure it only goes up to the crease. You're going to take this one and pull it up to the crease. Now you flip it over, and you'll have a shape that looks like this. So now you take the top right corner and fold it down like this, and then you take the bottom left corner and fold it up like this, and then you fold down and up. All right, so that's one piece. Now we're gonna make the other piece. So you do basically the same thing. Fold in half, then one side to the middle crease, and the other side to the middle crease. Then fold over, face it like this, make a crease in the middle. You might want to put your finger in there, like I said. Now, instead of taking this down, you want to take it up this time, up. And this one goes down now. So it's the opposite way around. Now you get a shape looking like this. So you're going to take the top left corner and fold it down. Now you're going to take the bottom right corner and fold it up. Now you're gonna fold one up and one down. All right, so now you have your two pieces, right? So you're gonna take one piece, hold it like this, take the other, flip it over, and put it on top. So it should look something like this. All right. So now this is the bit of a hard part. You're gonna take one of these things and put it under, like that. Now you're gonna take another one of these things and also put it under. Alright, so now you're gonna flip it over. Take one side. You might wanna put it on the ground and kind of pull it up to put this in. Alright, now the last thing we have to do, oh whoopsies, you might need a scissor to open this up a bit, and then just put it in there. All right, that's it. Now you have a ninja star. And look, whoa, it goes. All right, I'm gonna show you guys one more time in case it was a little bit hard for you. Take one piece, and then take the other piece and put it on top. All right? So now you're gonna have a cross formation like this. Take the top flap and put it under this weird flap hanging to the right, like that. And then you want to take the bottom flap up here and put it under the flap that's hanging to the left. That's for this side. So now you're gonna flip it over. You're gonna take this, put it under this thing, this hole right here. I'm gonna put this under there. I'm gonna put it the other way around. You might need the scissor again just to poke open a hole and then put this one through. It's fine if it smudges a little. And that's it. Once again, our ninja star. Haha.
So that is it for our origami video.
I hope you liked it.
I hope you like it. So today, hope you followed along and you like how to make this heart, and hope you like how to make ninja stars. And we might make a video of how to make a paper boat and a paper airplane.
And these are basically toys, so you could just play around them in the house. Don't break anything, of course, but you could spin it like that, and it'll just go anywhere. And they're really fast also, so if you go outside and throw it, it's so fast.
And these you could put messages in them, and you could stack them, and it's really cool. So hope you guys followed along, and before we end